Hello, this is my test lab for freeware. Today, I'd like to show you voice over IP test for software-based PBX. This video has preparation of hardware, test environment, test scenarios, test results, and summary. I hope it could be a reference for your own voice over IP test lab. This test has 4 hardware equipments: VMware ESXi server, laptop, smartphone and SmartPad, and wireless router. Test environment. vSphere client is running on laptop. VMware ESXi server is version 5.1. Wireless router is Linksys E1200. The 3 hardware equipments are interconnected through their Ethernet ports. ESXi server has 3 VLANs, VLAN 10, VLAN 40, VLAN 1, and the 3 VLANs are interconnected through a virtual router, Vyatta. The Vyatta has a mirrored port to a VLAN, VLAN 40. Software-based PBX 3CX phone system version 11 is running on Windows 7. Software phone is running on Windows Server 2008. Another software phone is running on Windows XP. Traffic Analyzer Wireshark is running on BackTrack 5 R3. External wireless router is connected to a VLAN, VNet 1. Outbound call need gateway, and this test will use Skype for the gateway, and iPhone and iPad. You can see all of the tests at the laptop or vSphere client. Test scenarios. This test has 5 virtual machines. An iPhone and iPad. 1 mobile for outbound call test. The virtual router Vyatta has a mirrored port to a VNet 40, and the Wireshark can analyze the traffic from the mirrored port. 4 software phones has local numbers 100, 101, 102, and 103, and mobile number for outbound call test. Internal call test between local number 102 and 103. Another call test from local number 100 to mobile number. If you want to use your own voice over the soft phones in virtual machines, you need a virtual sound card, and you can call over the soft phone from a Microsoft Remote Desktop. VNet 40 needs a promiscuous mode for supporting the port mirroring. Okay, this is block diagram for the test. The ESXi server has 5 virtual machines over the 3 VLANs. And we can see all of the tests at the laptop. vSphere client says 5 virtual machines with their CPU and memory utilizations. And we can see the total CPU and memory uses also. The virtual router Vyatta has 4 interfaces, and we will use 2 interfaces for this test and 1 more interface for mirroring port. ETH3 is a mirrored port. SoftPBX PBX has a gateway for Skype. It will be used for outbound call. Internal calling test has two local phones, 103 and 102. Wireshark traffic analyzer and software-based PBX dashboard, and calling 103 from 102 and answer the calling. And you can see the calling status at the PBX dashboard. Outbound call need the wireless or Wi-Fi phones. The local phone calling the mobile number for outbound. And you can see the outbound calling status at the PBX dashboard. Wireshark. Wireshark is located deep place in the BackTrack. The Wireshark has telephone menu, and you can see all of the voice over IP calls. And you can see flow details of each call as you want. And the telephone menu has real-time transport protocol also. And you can see the voice quality of each call. Jitter time and some reply time and something like that. Test result. Outbound calls need some Skype credit, and inbound calls need online number service of Skype. ESXi server utilized 10 to 20% of CPU and about 9 GB of RAM for 5 virtual machines. Vyatta utilized 2% of CPU, and software-based PBX utilized 10 to 15% of CPU and 2 GB memory. Summary. Software-based PBX 360 is free up to 3 active calls. All of 360 soft phones are free for PC, iPhone, iPad, and Android. Skype needs credit and online number service for both of outbound and inbound calls. ESXi server utilizes 10 to 20% for CPU and about 9 GB RAM for 5 virtual machines. BackTrack and Vyatta can be helpful for advanced tests for QoS, IDS, firewall, and more. You can see my slide as your own pace at the following address. Thank you for your time. See you again.